Hi traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Fibonacci progression with breaks. Right? This concept combines two powerful ideas in trading, and that is the Fibonacci retracement and breakouts. All right, so let us just break it down simply. First of all, you have a trending market. Like we can see here, we have a bullish trending market. Right, so price moves strongly in one direction, which is the upward direction in this case, and you can see here price pulled back. Right, so traders use Fibonacci to measure that pullback and identify potential entry zones like the 38.2% or 50% or 61.8%. Right, so now comes the second part, which is the breakout. Instead of entering immediately at the Fibonacci level, some traders wait for confirmation. That confirmation often comes as a break of structure. For example, price breaking above resistance, all right, above resistance level in an uptrend. We can see that within this pullback, we had lower highs and lower lows, as you can see. We had lower highs and lower lows. So this was a resistance point, right? So price eventually broke above this resistance, as we can see here. So that was a confirmation that the bullish move was about to continue. Okay, so the idea is you wait for price to retrace to a Fibonacci level. In this case, it was the 38.2%. Then you wait for price to break a key level. Then you enter after the breakout, expecting continuation. So perhaps you would have considered entering here or here, right? So the progression part refers to how price moves from one level to another. After breaking out, price often continues toward previous highs or Fibonacci extension levels. So this approach helps reduce false entries because you are not just relying on Fibonacci, you are also confirming momentum through the breakout. So it's especially useful in trending markets where price tends to continue after pullbacks. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.